So the question was, write a paragraph on the mind map. Correct? Now, if you look at this, first of all, the first line you should write is that the above given figure is a mind map about infectious diseases. So that should have been your first line. Okay. Then there are four main ideas. So the four main ideas are spread, precautions, treatment, containment. So these are the four main ideas. Okay. Now, how does it spread? So it spreads by touching the infected surfaces through droplets transmitted through sneezing and coughing. We have to take care not to touch, so caution should be exercised. We should not touch doorknobs, handrails of staircases and elevators. Now there was a spike which slowly we are supposed to flatten it now. The main work was to flatten this curve. Okay. Now the contact can be primary or secondary. Precautions taken. Whenever you cough or sneeze, you have to do it in the upper sleeve. Do not sneeze or cough without covering the mouth. Washing hands with soap for 20 seconds using alcohol-based hand sanitizer and wear a mask. The different ways of treatment. One is hospitalization. Second is, for most of the infectious diseases, vaccines and medicines are available. But for COVID, so far no vaccine nor any specific medicine is available. Now the containment, the various ways are, one is lockdown in extreme cases, stay home, stay safe. Testing, get yourself tested, and if treatment is required, then you may have to go. Social distancing, keep at least 1 meter distance from one another. Then quarantine. Then containment, somewhere keeping probable cases under observation. Sometimes you don't have to immediately get admitted, you are under observation. And lastly, appreciate and applaud the healthcare workers. So when there are so many points, most of you all have done well, actually written well, but the starting point, like out of 4 marks, I am given mostly 3. Okay. Because some of them have added, when there's a mind map here, there's no need to add your own sentence. Basically, there's already such a lot of things here, you could have just covered the whole thing. But this main thing, the different parts should have been seen. And then comes your sub. Like you have the main point, the sub points, correct? Main ideas. So the other note making and summary writing, I think that was fine. Summary writing also, remember this time too I haven't cut marks. Normally 1 mark is always for the grammar, so out of 3 they may give you 2 if there are grammatical errors, but the content is there, 2 out of 3 marks. Normally there's always a summary of 3 marks. 15 marks question paper, you have 12 marks the comprehension and grammar and all, and 3 marks will be a summary on the passage which is given. So let me see, next Sunday I'll try to give you all from the last year's question papers. Fine.